Right, the second example in expanding and simplifying two single brackets starts the same. We're going to start by expanding both brackets separately using the grid. Again, I prefer the grid. Again, if you're stuck with that, you need to look back at the first example, and if you're stuck with just expanding brackets, you need to look back at the example on expanding single brackets, which has been linked above. So if we expand the first bracket, we write the 5 down the left, the 2b plus 3 at the top, we end up with 10b plus 15. Second bracket, 2 goes down the left, and then remember it's a plus 2, the sign in front of the 2 is important. The 3b minus 2 goes at the top. We expand those, we get 6b minus 4. Right, let's expand brackets first. Then the second step is to write down all the terms that you just worked out. So 10b, 15, plus 6b, minus 4. And the last part is to simplify. Again, we've expanded brackets, so now we've got to simplify. If you're stuck with this, you can always look back at my first example on this sort of question. So you've got 10b plus 6b, and then we have plus 15 and minus 4. Grouping them of the same type, and then we collect them together. So 16b plus 11 as the answer. Okay.